Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. During the mango season, we make different recipes using mangoes. Today I'm going to share two wonderful recipes. One is Aamras Puri and the other one is an all-time favorite mango fruity drink. Let's get started and check it out. For the Aamras, I've taken 6 Alphonso mangoes. Cut them, scoop out the pulp, put it in a bowl and keep it aside. Next, we're going to puree the mango pieces. For this, transfer the mango pieces to a mixer jar. Add about 1/4 cup of sugar. Now you can adjust the sugar according to your taste and according to the sweetness of the mangoes. Remove the cardamom seeds from the pod and pound it to a nice fine powder. Just add, this is about 1/2 teaspoon. To make the saffron milk, take 1/2 cup of warm milk. Add a few strands of saffron and leave it aside. The flavors of the saffron will be infused into the milk. So you can see the flavors of the saffron have been infused into the milk. So add the milk. Grind everything to a nice fine puree. So the Aamras is done. Now I'm going to transfer the Aamras to a nice bowl and refrigerate it. Meanwhile, let's make the puris. Now I've already mixed the dough for the puris. Just divide the dough into equal sized balls. Place the small dough ball and roll it out. Now you don't want to make it too thin or too thick for the puris. Just make sure it's just right. So I'm going to use a cutter to cut out the puris so they have a nice equal shape. You can also make the puris without using the cutter, or if you have a lid and if you'd like some nice round puris, you can use a lid from any box and use it as a cutter. To make the puris, take enough oil to a kadai. Once the oil is nice and hot, keep the flame on medium. Gently drop the rolled out dough into the hot oil. Wow, you can see the puris puffing up immediately. They look absolutely gorgeous. Once it's golden brown color on one side, just flip it to the other side. And remove from the hot oil immediately. So the Aamras is done, the puris are made. Now it's time to serve the Aamras with these delicious puris. I'm garnishing the Aamras with some chopped pistachios and saffron strands. Make sure you serve it immediately with these delicious and hot puris. Wow, there you go. Here are these beautiful golden puris that can be enjoyed with this lovely, delicious, creamy Aamras. For this drink, I've taken 3 ripe Alphonso mangoes. Scoop out the pulp, cut it into pieces and keep it aside. I'm also taking 1 raw mango. Peel off the skin, chop it into pieces and keep it aside. So as you can see, it's a combination of mangoes, both sweet and sour, that is the ripe and raw mango. Next, I'm going to cook the mango pieces. To a large saucepan, add 1 large bowl of the ripe mango pieces that we've cut and about 1 large cup of the raw mango pieces. I'm adding about 1 cup of sugar. This is white granulated sugar. It's a 250 ml cup. Next, I'm adding about 1 liter of water. Cook the mango pieces for about 15 minutes on medium flame. So after 15 minutes, if you see the mango pieces are cooked beautifully, they're nice and soft. So all the flavors from the mango has been infused into the water. So we have a nice thick syrupy liquid here. So we're going to strain this. Once you've strained the mango pieces, keep it aside. Cool them completely. Now transfer the cooled mango pieces to a mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine puree. Transfer the mango puree to the liquid and mix it nicely using a whisk so everything is well combined. So using a whisk will make it very easy. So as you can see, we have this nice thick mango juice that's coming together so beautifully. Now we're going to strain this one more time. Pour it through a sieve to remove any fibers present in the juice.
Here is this absolutely refreshing and delicious mango juice drink.
It's a wonderfully fresh drink. You can prepare it, bottle it, and you can actually refrigerate it and serve it when you have guests or friends coming over, or just enjoy a glass whenever you like.